Watch Selfie. Watch hands-free. Watch hands-free video. Why? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. Canada, yes, it is a very cold day today, and me and baby are gonna go to the store. Right, Blessing? We're gonna go to the store. I need some okra. That'd be nice now. What do you? Say hello. Say hello. So yes, I'm gonna go to the store today to get some okra because I want to make some fish later. Why are you sucking your finger? So this is Blessing snowsuit. I like it because it comes with the feet and the hand like that. And this one is 6 to 12 months. It's a little bit bigger than her, but that's okay because by the time winter over, May next year she's one and she's gonna be filling out this pretty good. Jim, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, so as you can see, it look big right now, but it's not gonna be too big. I bought this hat. This one is from Old Navy. But me now, I went to the dollar store and I saw this one and I was like, this look cute. But guys, I'm telling you, it's full of fur. I tried it on Blessing head yesterday. When I took it off, I think a sponge mattress in sleep on. So guys, before I put on Blessing's snowsuit, I'm gonna try to set up my selfie stick. I bought this to help me with my videos and stuff because I find like when I'm doing my videos, I'm not able to like hold my phone and do it at the same time. So let's set this up together, guys. Okay. All right. Instruction book. Okay. Yes, looking good, guys. Looking good. Yes. Listen. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay, I think I can move it. So guys, it opens up like this. Just like that. I thought it was a little bit longer, but it's not. The good thing is here, so it's adjustable, right? Okay guys, so I thought it was like just short, but what I need to do is to just pull it. And you see it's getting longer. Boy, I'm longer. Okay, that's good. Wow, it's taller than me. That's really nice. I like it. I like it. So let's do it like this and put my phone in it and see how it will help me to video Blessing. Okay guys, we're in business. We're in business, guys. All right, so selfie stick set up. So now I'm able to like actually video what I'm doing and have both of my hands free. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Stop suck your finger, little girl. Okay? Yes. Let's go find one different hat here. I'm not gonna put that for hat too. Hi. Hi. Just with your hand. Just with your hand, listen. Okay, guys, this is Freedom with my selfie stick. Blessing. Say hi. Wave your head and say hi. You don't say hi? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna put on my jacket and we're gonna go to the grocery store. Okay? Ooh, bless you. Guys, I can even turn on the light on the selfie stick. I will show you guys that in a moment. Today is very cold, so I have to get her a different hat because I don't like that fur hat, too much fur. guys, I'm telling you, I'm loving this selfie stick, honestly. See, my hands are free and I'm getting ready. Wait, my baby. Yeah, we're ready to go outside, right, Blessed? So this selfie stick is very tall. It's taller than me, and I'm like 5'9", and it has lights on it on both ends. So if you don't have good lighting, this is good. And then you can turn it off and thing. I'm loving it. Look at Blessing. She is sleeping. As she come out of the house, she fall asleep. Anyways, we're gonna run into Fresco, see if we can find some okra. Oops. Oh no, why are we putting pumpkins? Guys, we are in luck. I see some okra. Just what I'm free. Okay, yeah. I think them good. So guys, this is how I buy my okra. I always break it to see if it make that pop sound, then say good to go, right? Alright. I don't think we need no more than this still. So that's it. Okay guys, so my okra was like $3.39. Not bad. And this is my fish and my shrimp. Blessing is still sleeping, so I'm gonna try and get a little head start on my dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.